Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit texts on your Google website or Google site. Now, before starting, if you are not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, if you're not very proficient when it comes to using this website, or even if you're a first timer or a beginner on this website, do not worry, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and everything that you have to know when it comes to discovering these features. Now, let us get started. Now, to give a bit of a background, for those of you who don't know, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites that is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, right here, I already have a specific a specific site that we have just created on the previous videos. So if you want to check it out, please be sure to check it out on our YouTube channel, which is this one. You might want to check it out. We already have a dedicated beginner's guide on how you can become very proficient in using this website, in which we already discuss all the basic features and functions of this website. Now, again, on our website, we have an unedited page title right over here, and I will teach you how you can edit it. All you have to do is to click on it, which is a pre-existing text box. You can highlight it, delete, and change it to whatever you want, like so. Now you can change your font formatting by highlighting on it. By the way, you can change the styles of your text if you want it to be a title, a heading, normal text, and many more. You can change the font by this button. As you can see, you have access to tons of options right here. Let's say, for example, I want this one. You can change the font size right here. Now, as you can see, we do not have the standard plus and minus icon to increase and decrease the font size by 1 point. You can only set your font custom by entering a number or selecting from the font size right here. You have the standard bold, italic, and underline right here, like so. You got the text color over here. As you can see, yeah, it will open up a palette, very standard. And you can insert a link if you want right here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to link this to our website. Click on apply. And as you can see, if I click on this word, it will actually redirect us to this page right here, which is our website. You can change its text alignment from here, like so. You got the just right, center, and left. And that's about it. That's how you can edit your text here in Google Sites. Pretty standard, and it's very similar to the other Google softwares if you're familiar with it. Now, as you can see, I can change it to a theme that I would like. Let's say, for instance, this one. And for this one, I want it to be this font. So, and now as you can see, it looks way more slick. Can change the text alignment of this one. And we want it to be justified, like so. And as simple as that, you can edit and modify your text here in Google Sites. And that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, as well as hitting that notification bell and leaving a comment on what you would like to see from us next. But from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.